If you want to record purchases, you go to purchases here and then you select add purchases. So from here, you have to first select the supplier that you are getting this supply from. So let's say I have a supplier name John Doe and this invoice is from this supplier. So I can go ahead and record my invoice number here, or better still leave it empty. The system will auto generate if you don't have a physical invoice. Now from here, you select the status, the purchase status. If you have received these goods, then you have to select received. If you've just ordered for the goods, then ordered. If it is pending, you are yet to receive them, you select pending. What it means is that if you select received, which means that you already have it in stock. So the moment you update this records, the the system the system will pick it, and then the quantity that you add will reflect in the stock for you. So your stock level will be adjusted to what you add from this page. So let's say we have received the goods already. So you select received. Then you go ahead and select the branch. If it is a multiple branch, you select the particular branch that you are recording this invoice or this purchase for. Then you go ahead and select the product. So let's say we got this product, this new product, and then we got about 20 boxes of this. So I enter 20. So the system will now give me the subtotal before tax and all of that for me. Then I can go ahead and then state the, the advance payment. If I've made any payment in advance, then I can go ahead and then record. If I've made full payment, I can go ahead and then enter the full payment here, 2438. So this is the full payment, and then also select the payment method. If it is cash, if it is Momo, I can select whatever payment method I use to pay for these goods. So when I'm done, I'll just click on save. So basically, this is how you add a purchase. Go to purchases, you select add purchases, you select your supplier, you select the purchase status, and then you come here and select the business location. If it is a multiple branch, you have multiple branches, you select a particular one. Then you come here and select the product. So you can select more than one product here. So if you have multiple items on the invoice, since it is coming from this same supplier, you can add as many as you want. So for example, I have, let's say I have this charger. So I have charger. So I can go ahead and say, I'm getting um, 10 boxes of charger. I have, it looks like I have something like cola on my, yes, I go ahead and let's say I'm getting 50 bottles of Coca-Cola. I can go ahead and add all of it here. And then if there has been price changes for any of this product, I can come here and adjust the price, the cost price, as well as the selling price before I even update. So this is where you can update. So if there's a new cost, I come here and then state, let's say for example, now it cost me 18 or 16 cities to get this product. I can state. So now I'm going to sell it at 30 cities. Now go ahead and state my new selling price. Then when I'm done, I'll just come down here and indicate the amount payable. So now it is costing me 1509.5 to get this product. Oh, sorry, it's costing me, let me see. It is costing me now 3,947.5. It is costing me 3553. That is it. Okay. It looks like I'm not getting something right. Let me get it right. So this is the total due that I need to pay. So this is it. I need to pay 3947.5. So this is how much I'm supposed to pay the supply. So if I've made this payment, if I've paid this already, I have to state the full amount and then go ahead and click save. So the moment I save, this new stock that I'm getting will be added to my existing stock. If this product are existing product, they'll all be added. So 20 will now add up to the, so this negative, which means that we've sold more than what we had. So this will add up and correct it. So this 10 will add up to this 114, and then this 15 will add up to the 187. So that is how you go about recording your purchases and then your invoices. So when you're done, you just go ahead and then click save. So when you save it, it will be listed among your purchases. So here, purchases. So you could see that this is what I've just recorded and then I've paid for it. There's no amount due for me and I have received the goods. So let's say I record one that I have not made payment for or I have not received. Let's see how it shows here. So let's add new purchase. I can click on the add button there. Let's select the same supplier and go ahead and say pending, and also select the location, select the product name. Let me use new product here. This one, let's say I'm getting 5 pieces of this, so which is costing me 500. But then I have paid only 300 cities, so I enter 300. So which means that I'm left with 200 cities to pay the supplier. So with this, I can even come here and state the pay term. So the pay term means the number of the period that is going to take me to pay the supplier. So with this, when I state it, when the time is approaching, the system can even remind me that I have purchase due that I need to pay. So I have to quickly check on it and pay my supplier. So let's say I have to pay this in 15 days. So I have to state it, probably let's say I have to make this payment in 2 months. I can state the 2 months, or better still, whatever be the case, you just state the period, then you go ahead and save. So when I save this, so mind you, I've not received this good, so which means that the quantity that I have stated will not reflect in my stock level. So, and then the payment to, I did not make full payment, I made only partial. So now let's say I've received the goods and then I am going to, or I've made full payment. I've received the goods and also I've made full payment. So I come here and then go to actions, go to edit. So I'm going to edit and then change the status. So come here and then change it to received. So when I change it to received, what I can do is to go ahead and save. So here I cannot add because I've already added advance payment, so I cannot add it here. So I have to go back and then add payment. So here all I need to do is to update this, update that I have received the goods. So now the quantities will be added to my stock level. So now I have to record the full payment. I come to actions again and then go to add payment. So now I have the chance to record the remaining balance that I have to pay the supplier. So here it is 200. I just go ahead and click on save. Or better still, if I did not pay with cash, I go ahead and select, if it is Momo, I select the Momo payment. If there is a transaction ID as a reference, I can go ahead and enter the transaction number and then also go on and save this records. So the moment I save, it will be recorded for me that I have received the goods and also I have made full payment. So basically, this is how you go about recording your purchases.